I want every lover of mine to repeat my name with every breath. The repetition should be continuous and such that even in sound sleep, it should continue like you're breathing. Then there is some possibility of experiencing a glimpse of me. Never worry about thoughts while repeating my name. Don't check them, because when you repeat my name, the thoughts will not create binding for you, good or bad.